Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Denver Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning in to this a new video here on the channel. So guys, today I will be talking about a very interesting community-backed coin here, because guys, it looks like these community-backed coins are performing very good, and I do want to be getting in on it. So guys, if you're interested in these kinds of videos, make sure to smash up the likes here. Make sure to let me know in the comment section what you think of it, and make sure to watch the video till the end, because it's very important, because there's a very important data that we're going to discuss here. So today we will be talking about the Wall Street Bets coin here. It recently got launched a few hours ago, so I bought it for a very cheap price, guys. And I think if you're willing to buy it, you can still buy it at a very cheap price here. So right away, if you look at the screen here, you can see recently got launched here. Pre-sale was around the 1 cent here. Very exciting what we currently can see here, but definitely this coin has way more potential. So we'll be talking about it as well here in this video. But first, let me start off with my nice story that I'm going to tell you here about Dogecoin. Because, guys, I know a lot of people have been making good profits with Dogecoin. But is it the time to move on here right now? Is this the time to move on? Is this the time that we have to be looking at the next project? And I took some profits, like I earlier told you guys as well here in the live stream. I took some profits on my Dogecoin, and right now I shifted it in to Wall Street Bets here. And the reason why I'm doing this here is because it looks like these community-backed coins are performing very well here. And Wall Street Bets, they have a Telegram of 100,000, more than 100,000 people over there. So they have a truly big community behind themselves. And you maybe already know Wall Street's from the GME stock. They pumped the GME stocks to new all-time highs, and it's definitely... They showed us what they can do, and they showed us what if all the retailers are going to work together, what they can be accomplishing in the market. So of course it's basically what they're doing here is giving the power to the people, and I definitely like the concept. So I mean, everyone is saying here right now on the internet, you have to be buying Doge, etc., etc. But guys, you want to know what the trend is doing for Dogecoin. So for Dogecoin, it looks like the 420 trend was there, the 420 momentum, and people were buying it up towards 420, and we were seeing a lot of hype coming on here, and people were saying, oh, Dogecoin is going to $1, but you guys have to know it. We still need approximately a 3x from here on to see Dogecoin reaching $1. And do I think it's likely? Not necessarily, not necessarily. So I mean, if we're going to see Dogecoin reaching $1, we have to have another additional 92 billion US dollars, and that is absolutely insane for only a 3x here. So are you going to make the most amount of money if I'm talking about a community-backed coin with Dogecoin? No, I don't necessarily think so at the stages where we are currently at, but then I will be talking about Wall Street Bets here, guys, because Wall Street Bets is approximately 2,000 as small as Dogecoin right now. And of course, only a market cap of 20 million US dollars, way lower market cap. So it can easily double in its initial way quicker than Dogecoin. And of course, guys, like I told you before, we saw the community of Dogecoin pumping it towards 40 cents. And it was basically the community that was pumping it. And this one, the Wall Street Bets, you already know it probably. A lot of you guys are already familiar with it, I guess. But yeah, you know, it has a big community behind it. So what will be the community doing here? Can they be driving up the prices? I think, yes, definitely they can be doing it. And I mean, seeing such a low market cap, I mean, you guys, you have to know, we had a DeFi trend, we have an NFT trend, we have right now the money moving to bigger caps, and right now we are just seeing these community coins absolutely blasting to the upside. These small coins without any fundamentals are blasting up to the upside. I mean, I'm not saying that this coin has zero fundamentals, but I mean, it is kind of a meme coin, you know, so... But I'm still investing in it, just like Dogecoin. I mean, you can say you did not invest in Dogecoin, but if you invested 3 months ago in Dogecoin, you could have easily make very good gains, of course, on that. So basically, what Wall Street Bets is known for is, of course, power to the people, and what they are also providing. Let's say if you're 100,000 people are investing in a Coinbase stock, every one of them have to pay commission on that. Everyone has to pay a certain amount of fee of that, but if you're buying Wall Street Bet here, guys, you are investing in a fund, and the fund will be investing for you, and that is of course very important, because that saves people making poor decisions and people getting wrecked here. So this coin is really giving you the opportunity as well here, and also giving you the opportunity to become very big and mainstream. And guys, the reason why that I'm making this video as well here is that this coin is just recently got launched here. It is exactly not even a few, it's only 8 hours live or so. So I mean, as you can see over here on the chart, I mean, I'm saying 8 hours. It's exactly 22 hours that recently 22 hours ago it got launched here, so we are still new here. And if you're buying into it right now, you can be buying it for a very cheap price. It's based on the Binance Smart Chain. I've already bought into it. I'm not saying, first of all, I'm not saying that you have to be buying this coin, but I did because I mean, I'm here. I mean, of course, this is not a coin that you have to be buying and have to put all your life savings on it, because then you're absolutely getting wrecked if you're doing that. And that is not a thing that you want to be doing it. If you're buying this coin, you want to be seeing this as a coin flip. But I mean, I'm willing to take this coin flip if I can literally 20x or maybe 30 or 50x my initial. So please be careful. But guys, you have to know what is going to go up rather sooner than later. Is it Dogecoin or is it Wall Street bets? What is giving me the best returns? I think this is the one that you want to be at here. And I mean, buying it at 21 cents is absolutely a cheap price here. And guys, if you're interested how you can be buying it, you can be buying it on PancakeSwap, and you have to know it is not a paid promotion. I'm purely saying this once again because I'm seeing a very good opportunity, and that's the reason why I'm saying. And if you want to be buying this coin, guys, you can be buying it on PancakeSwap. And if you don't know how PancakeSwap works here, you can be joining the Discord server as well here. The members over there will be helping you out there. Already 13,000 members over there, guys. We are also building a very strong community, so maybe we have to make a coin as well for ourselves. But guys, thanks so much. So thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Make sure to look at this, look at their light paper, just read something, read about the tokenomics, just do your own research, see what they are potentially can be doing here. But it's very interesting, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. So thanks so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.